My name is Bhimesh. I am from Raichur.
But how the candidates react to that situation, how they will present themselves. Yes, Bhavana. Tell me about yourself in brief.
So my name is Bhavana, and I was born and brought up in Bangalore. I did my schooling in Bangalore, Retd, and I completed my degree in BTech Electronics and Communications in UVCE College, University Visvesvaraya College of Engineering in Bangalore. And I come from a small family, and I'm a single kid in my family. My father named Mr. G. Puttashankar. He works as an accountant in cooperative society. And mother is Ms. Srimati Jayanti, and she's a homemaker.
Why you want to join RRB?
So actually,
You have a background in engineering.
yes, engineering, it was, I did it out because my parents wanted me to be an engineer. But after graduating, I just saw how vast the opportunities after doing an engineering degree. So later on, when I started preparing for my competitive examinations, I found that banking sector it's like more transparent and it don't take many years for getting recruited. It's once we clear the exams, we will be recruited immediately. And when coming to RRB, first thing I wanted to say is RRB, if I get posted, I'll be posted in and around Bangalore or within the state. I need not travel too far because I need to look after my family as well because I'm a single kid. So when coming to other parts, RRB, it's one thing to say. As I told you earlier, my father works in a cooperative society. So being a banker seems a bit prestigious as well. And I know, I've seen him how he works, and I know a bit about what exactly banking sector was. And RRB was because my mother tongue is Canara, and if I go to other sectors in banking, maybe language can be a barrier as well. So I wanted to stay there and come up with it.
So there in the village level, already the cooperative sector was there.
Yes.
Commercial banks branches were there. What prompted the government to establish RRB?
So one thing, the farmers or the rural people were not able to get all the benefits from the bank. Like it can be a account, savings account or current account, or the schemes because RRB was regulated by RBI and sponsored by NABARD. But the other sectors like cooperative society or the other banks, they are not exactly sponsored by them. And the schemes which are available through RRB were not given by cooperative society. So the government wanted to directly approach the farmers or the rural people and give them the benefits which cooperative society failed to give.
Which is the target of RRBs? Which people are targeted for RRBs?
So mainly agriculture sector, then rural development, then comes the MSME and so on.
In the agriculture sector, which category of farmers were there?
Small and marginal farmers.
Who are small and medium farmers?
Marginal farmers are those who has land which is less than 2.5 hectares and
2.5
acres.
acres.
Yeah, and small are those who has less than from 2.5 to 5 acres.
Having less than 2.5 acres or cultivating 2.5 acres.
Cultivable land of 2.5 acres.
Suppose if it doesn't own any land, suppose he doesn't own any land, still he can cultivate, no?
He can cultivate in other lands.
What they are called.
Sure, sir.
What is the percentage of these small and marginal farmers to the total farming community on an average?
I'm not aware.
And the RRBs wanted to focus on this sector. You should know how many.
Sorry, sir, I didn't find it out. I'll get it later.
Bhavana, the question here is the total farmers have been classified into different categories: large farmers, medium farmers, small farmers. The rest is agricultural laborers who are not only also doing agriculture.
Yes, sir.
And they are the least purpose also.
Okay.
And that is a question that SF and MF, the percentage of SF and MF farmers, small farmers, marginal farmers to the total farmers. Just check it out and be prepared for that.
Yes, sir.
Bhavana, you have a bank account?
Yes, sir, in SBI.
Which bank?
SBI, State Bank of India.
For opening the bank account, what are the documents you have provided to bank?
In addition, identity proof, Aadhaar card, and then I gave my PAN card as well,
Yes.
and photographs.
Photo.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In how many days your account was opened by the bank?
They told it will be activated in 1 day, I guess.
Okay.
It's been too long, so I don't exactly remember it.
So you are having an account in SBI. What is that account name is?
Savings account.
Savings bank. Just explain what is savings bank account.
So savings bank account, it's an account where people can deposit or withdraw the money whenever it's needed, and we will get a certain amount of interest upon if this upon the money that's been deposited.
What is the percentage of interest they give on the money you keep it in your SBI account?
So it's between 3 to 4%.
3 to 4%. And the next question to you is, to open an account, you said you are giving Aadhaar card,
PAN card.
PAN cards, and photographs. What are these 3 documents are called under banking?
KYC documents.
Explain KYC.
It's a know your customer.
Yes.
It's actually it's a rule by RBI which is mandatory for all the banks in order to open an account with the customer, because this will help the bank from avoiding some money laundering or some other misuse of account.
Okay.
From the
Under which act this KYC has come into effect?
1999
Which act? Name of the act?
Banking Regulation Act.
Anti-money laundering. Under AML Act, this concept of verifying the KYC is required as per our RBI regulation. Okay. Can you just explain what is RBI and NABARD?
So RBI, Reserve Bank of India, is like a central bank of India,
Yes.
and it has many functions like being a banker to a bank,
Yes.
and it will be responsible for monetary policies, then foreign currency exchange.
How do you understand monetary policy?
So it's something that's related to if there is any inflation or deflation in the economy, then those monetary policy.
Okay. What explain inflation?
So if there is a sudden increase in the price of a product, then
Yes.
we can term it as an inflation.
Yeah. How do RBI control through monetary policy the impact and the pressures of inflation and deflation?
So there are a few things like I don't know the specific term for that, but there are a few like bank rate, repo rate, reverse repo rate, CRR, cash reserve ratio, SLR.
Okay. Can you explain repo rate?
So repo rate, it's the rate of interest charged by RBI when a bank or a commercial bank or any other banks borrow money from the RBI and keeping it a collateral for some securities for it.
Okay. Then reverse repo?
It's the complete reverse of it. Here, the RBI will borrow money from the banking, commercial banks or other banking sectors, and they will give the collateral of some securities for it.
It's okay. In Karnataka, can you please mention 4 or 5 important rivers?
Rivers. First thing, Kaveri River.
Yes.
Then Netravati River, Sharavati River. Then Krishna and Malaprabha Ghataprabha.
It's okay. Which are the major dams in Karnataka? Irrigation dams.
Okay. First one, KSR Dam, Krishna Rajsagar Dam. Then comes Tungabhadra Dam.
Yes.
Then
There is a dam in Chitradurga district. Do you remember?
it's Vanivila Sagar.
Okay. Where is it? On which river the dam is built?
Vanivila Sagar.
Vanivila Sagar. On which river?
Marikani.
Marikandwe is the name of the dam, madam. This dam is constructed by then Maharaja of Mysore on the river Vedavati. Can you just tell me 3 or 4 important crops that is grown in Karnataka?
So first thing, what's grown in my area is in Bangalore.
In and around Bangalore,
Yeah.
you tell.
It's ragi,
Yes.
rice, and sugarcane, cotton, or some spices like chili and
Okay.
coffee, tea.
Okay. Are you aware the difference between plantation crops and horticulture crops?
Horticulture crops, it's like vegetables, fruits, not flowers, vegetable and fruits come under horticulture crops. Plantation crops, they are grown in certain areas, like in the Western Ghat region. It's like coffee or tea planting crops are called as plantation crops.
What is plantation crop? Define plantation crops.
It's grown in a higher level,
Yes.
not pretty much.
Okay.
And what do you know about CAA, Citizenship Amendment Act?
Not pretty much. I will find it out.
Have you heard of Article 370?
Article?
370.
It's related to Jammu Kashmir thing, where first Jammu Kashmir was not considered as exactly as a state, and the benefits which given for the rest of the states in India were not given for Jammu and Kashmir. So, in order to make it available, Article 370 was launched,
370 was
came into act.
370 was removed
removed.
and it was revoked.
It was a special status given to the Jammu and Kashmir.
Yes.
It was removed.
Now recently in Jammu and Kashmir, election held. Which party won? Any idea?
I'm not familiar with the party, but now I'm not able to remember the minister over there.
Yes, sir. Who is the present finance minister, Government of India?
Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman.
Okay. Who is the governor of RBI?
Mr. Shaktikant Das.
Who?
Mr. Shaktikant Das.
Mr. Shetty. Okay.
Who is the present Chief Justice?
One second.
Just a day, 2 days before, the sitting Chief Justice, Mr. Chandrachud, retired. And a new person has taken charge.
I'm not aware of it.
Mr. Khanna.
Mr.
Khanna.
Sanjeev Kumar.
I didn't get the updates because I was preparing for this.
Suppose you are posted in a rural place of the northern Karnataka, will you go, madam?
Yes.
Okay. You said in the beginning that you have to take care of your parents.
So one thing, it's in Karnataka, right? So traveling back and forth is not a huge problem. Unlike if I'm supposed to go for North Indian states, then it will be too far for me to travel. And in the meantime, even my parents can visit. It's not like it's highly impossible.
It's okay.
Okay, if you get an opportunity to work in a software company, what will be your option?
So the main thing when I came here, I made up my mind that I won't go for software sectors because there might be a good salary, but I don't want that. I want a peace of mind and a job security, which is not assured by the software sector.
Were you working before?
No, sir.
You just
I
prepared for
passed out in the year 2023,
Yes.
and soon after that, I started preparing for banking exams.
Any other examination